喺美國東北部重要城市波士頓發生連環爆炸事件之後，美國總統奧巴馬立即對全國發表演說，誓言將會揾出並且嚴懲肇事兇手。而同時，美國各地加強安全警戒。美國警方同執法機構正在調查星期一發生嘅爆炸事件。當時波士頓正在舉行一年一度嘅馬拉松比賽。奧巴馬總統話，聯邦政府會盡一切所能照顧受害者，安撫受害家庭。佢仲讚揚救援人員作出嘅努力。
Boston police, firefighters, and first responders, as well as the National Guard, responded heroically and continue to do so as we speak. It's a reminder that so many Americans serve and sacrifice on our behalf every single day, without regard to their own safety, in dangerous and difficult circumstances. And we salute all those who assisted in responding so quickly and professionally to this tragedy.
奧巴馬仲誓言將會揾出肇事兇手並且繩之於法。波士頓警察局長戴維斯喺次記者會上話，調查人員正在設法揾出炸彈係放置喺邊度。
After this incident occurred, there was certainly a lot of people who were running from the scene. Some of them deposited bags and parcels that they were carrying. Each one of those bags and parcels is being treated as a suspicious device at this point in time. We have multiple EOD teams that are checking each one of these bags, but at this point we have not found another device.
麻省州長帕特里克話，美國聯邦調查局以及煙酒槍械管理局亦介入咗調查。佢希望民眾提供任何佢哋可能知道嘅信息。
Again, if people have information, please use those tip lines. This is very, very important that we get as current information as we can as quickly as possible.
喺波士頓發生爆炸之後，美國各地都加強咗安全警戒。白宮一名官員話，今次嘅爆炸顯然係一次恐怖襲擊事件。